Today, I'm gonna do a quick little video on how you change your headlight bulbs in most cars. I'm working on a 2006 Volvo S40, but the process should be very similar to a lot of cars. When you're changing your light bulbs, it's a good idea to do both at the same time. This one went out and this one didn't. I'm upgrading to a brighter, more efficient light bulb, and I'll put this one in and turn them on so we can see the difference. If you look right here, it says that it's up to 60% brighter. Very simple. Let me bring you in and show you the steps. There's a little metal slide that you simply grab it and pull it out. It comes out just that easy. I'm not even using any tools to do this. Once the slide comes out, right here, you just push on the light, and as you see, your entire light slides out of the way. Now right here, you have your harness. You simply press in and pull. You press down, and then you just pull it out. A gentle wiggle, and it'll come right on out. It's that simple. Now you have your entire lighting house out. You simply flip it on the back, push that back, lift that up, slide it right out of the way, and then here are your three light bulbs. On the front, you have your turn signal, low beam, and high beam. So you want the middle one, you grab it, twist it, it slides right out. Lift these off and pull it right out. Again, I'm not using any tools, and my dog wants to get in the video. Well, I'll tell you. And you pull it out. Just to let everyone know, this is an H11 Phillips. So it looks exactly the same. Always make sure that the light bulb that's going back in matches the one that came out, and as you see, they're identical. So I'm gonna take the new one. You simply line it up. It goes in that simple. You take it, there's little slots right here. You line the slots up. It is just that simple. Then we put the cover back on. And now let's put it back in the car. To show just how easy it is, actually you can see it actually started raining on me, and I'm still doing this. Now I'm just going to do everything in reverse. I'm going to take the harness, snap it back into place. Right there. Here's the snap. Line it up, slide it in. All right. Get the little guide, slide it in, and then we're all done. Right here is where this slides in, so you just want to make sure that it comes all the way over. As I slide it down, you see it went into place. It's just that simple. Now let's turn on and compare the two. Are you gonna move? Okay, good. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can see that well, but the new one I put in is a lot brighter. It's pretty simple to change your light bulbs yourself. To go to the dealer, they're going to charge you anywhere from $80 to $150 to do this. So now you know how to do it yourself. And again, remember, when you're changing your light bulbs, you should do two at the same time. It just makes sense, especially if you're upgrading to a brighter bulb. You don't want one dim and one bright. So now you know how to do it. I'm about to fix the other one. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You guys have a good one.